Hi everyone, welcome back again. The lesson of this script you are going to study the new lesson. The topic of this script or this video, this lesson, it talk about what plus doing, conjunction show, what plus doing, conjunction show แม่นอย่างบวกการเฮ็ดคำสันธานคำต่อดังนั้นแม่นอย่างบวกการเฮ็ดคำสันธานคำต่อดังนั้น Now you can see from the picture on your left hand I am going to read it and then you listen or practice together. Show that examples using show that is or conjunction with is used to join two clauses. Show that is used before the clause which indicates the purpose. Examples. She is too young. Show that she cannot smoke. She is too young, so she cannot smoke. It is too late, so that we cannot go to cinema. I will go to a French so that I can't learn French. Let's go to the cinema early so that we can get good seats. I'm putting the dishes in the oven now so that it will be ready by 8 o'clock. I opened the door so that she could come in. She decided to stay at home so that she could watch the football match on TV. So sorry, it's not clear like you can see now. So sorry, I read it. Let us go and see the detail and then practice by yourself as much as you can and then make your understanding step by step, line by line, side by side. Let's go. The first question, what is Victoria doing? What is Victoria doing? You can see from the picture Victoria at the Los Angeles. The time is 4 o'clock a.m. right? Victoria กำลังเฮ็ดหยังอยู่ Victoria กำลังเฮ็ดหยังอยู่ Next, the answer. She is sleeping right now. She is sleeping right now. เดี๋ยวนี้เรากำลังนอนอยู่ เดี๋ยวนี้เรากำลังนอนอยู่ Move on the next one. What is Marcos doing? What is Marco doing? Marcos กำลังเฮ็ดหยังอยู่ Marco กำลังเฮ็ดหยังอยู่ You can see Marco at the Mexico City. The time is 6 o'clock a.m. Let's see the answer. It is 6 o'clock a.m. It is 6 o'clock a.m. มันแม่น6 โมงตรงตอนเช้า มันแม่น6 โมงตรงตอนเช้า right? Next, the answer again. So he is getting up. So he is getting up. ดังนั้นเราจึงลุกขึ้นจากบ่อนนอน ดังนั้นเราจึงลุกขึ้นจากบ่อนนอน right? Let's see the next question. What are Sue and Tom doing? What are Sue and Tom doing? สุและทอมกำลังเฮ็ดหยังอยู่ สุและทอมกำลังเฮ็ดหยังอยู่ Sue and Tom at New York City, right? The time is 7 o'clock a.m. Next, let's see the answer. They are having breakfast. They are having breakfast. พวกเขากำลังรับประทานอาหารเช้าอยู่ พวกเขากำลังรับประทานอาหารเช้าอยู่ right? Let's see the next question. What is Syria doing? What is Syria doing? Syria กำลังเฮ็ดหยังอยู่ Syria กำลังเฮ็ดหยังอยู่ Syria is at a Brazilian 9 o'clock a.m. Let's see the answer. The next. She is going to work. She is going to work. ลาวกำลังไปเฮ็ดเวียก ลาวกำลังไปเฮ็ดเวียก So sorry, I do not delete full stop question marks, but never mind. Next, the question. What are James and Anne doing? What are James and Anne doing? James and Anne กำลังเฮ็ดหยังอยู่ James and Anne กำลังเฮ็ดหยังอยู่ James and Anne is at London. The time is at 12 o'clock noon. See the answer to make your understanding. It is noon, so they are having lunch. It is noon, so they are having lunch. มันแม่นตอนเที่ยงดังนั้นเข้าเจ้ากำลังรับประทานอาหารเที่ยงอยู่มันแม่นตอนเที่ยงดังนั้นเข้าเจ้ากำลังรับประทานอาหารเที่ยงอยู่ Next present. What is Andrea doing? What is Andrea doing? Andrea กำลังเฮ็ดหยังอยู่ Andrea กำลังเฮ็ดหยังอยู่ Andrea is at Moscow. The time is 3 o'clock p.m. Right? Let's see the answer. He is working. He is working. ลาวกำลังเฮ็ดเวียกอยู่ลาวกำลังเฮ็ดเวียกอยู่ The next question. What is เพิ่มซัก doing? What is เพิ่มซัก doing? เพิ่มซักกำลังเฮ็ดหยังอยู่เพิ่มซักกำลังเฮ็ดหยังอยู่เพิ่มซัก is at Bangkok. The time is 7 o'clock p.m. Right? Now let us see the answer. He is eating right now. He is eating right now. ลาวกำลังรับประทานอาหารอยู่ลาวกำลังรับประทานอาหารอยู่ Next question. The question. What is Hiroshi doing? What is Hiroshi doing? Hiroshi กำลังเฮ็ดหยังอยู่ Hiroshi กำลังเฮ็ดหยังอยู่ Hiroshi at the Tokyo. The time is 9 o'clock p.m. Let's see the answer. Now you can see the answer that he is watching television. He is watching television. ลาวกำลังเบิ่งโทรทัศน์อยู่ลาวกำลังเบิ่งโทรทัศน์อยู่ Next question is asked about you. Like what are you doing? What are you doing? เจ้ากำลังเฮ็ดหยังอยู่เจ้ากำลังเฮ็ดหยังอยู่ Your city is 0 hour 0 minute. What are you doing? Let's see the answer first. It is midnight. It is midnight, so I am sleeping. It is midnight, so I am sleeping. มันแม่นเที่ยงคืนดังนั้นค่อยกำลังนอนมันแม่นเที่ยงคืนดังนั้นค่อยกำลังนอน So this video, this lesson, this script is a break here. See you the next video, the next lesson, and the next script. Thank you very much. For all of you have the subscribe or followed all of my videos on YouTube page, Facebook, Messenger, WhatsApp to encourage me create the new video, the new lesson for you. Million thanks again.